Bump said. Come out. Come out. When we teacher when I went to fair and Bump said, come out. Well, I'm just going to make his way over to working in. Come out.
You're cute and funny.
Do it to me.